Hi everyone, in this quick Outlook troubleshooting video, I will show you how to fix the errors have been detected in the OST file. This issue can prevent Outlook from opening or causing syncing problems. First, what the error means and what are the symptoms. Outlook creates an OST file, which stands for Offline Storage Table. It's basically a local copy of your mailbox when you use Exchange, Microsoft 365, or IMAP accounts. If this file becomes corrupted, Outlook may start behaving strangely. Common symptoms include Outlook taking a long time to start, send or receive delays, mailbox sync problems, Outlook freezing or crashing, or an error message mentioning the OST file. Second, why the error happens. First, problem usually happens because of things like unexpected system shutdowns, very large OST files, disk or storage errors, malware or software conflicts, and finally, faulty Outlook add-ins. Now let's move to the fixes. The first thing you should try is starting Outlook in save mode to disable add-ins. And to do that, we need to use this shortcut, Windows button with R, which is gonna start the run program. And here we need to write Outlook/save. As you can see, I've already used it in another video. And let's press on it and press on OK. I had to move to my second screen because the Outlook started on this screen. As you can see, we have this window here asking us to choose a profile. I have just one profile, so I'm gonna press on OK. And now it started Outlook normally. After starting Outlook in the save mode, if Outlook works normally, then one of your add-ins may be causing the issue. Now let's move to other fix, which is using the inbox repair tool. You can also try repairing the file using the inbox repair tool, also known as ScanPST. And to do that, you need to close Outlook. In my case, it's closed. The second thing, locate scanpst.exe in the Microsoft Office folder. So let's try to find it. So now we are going to the Microsoft Office. I will add this link or this path to the video description so you can just copy and paste it. You need to scroll down to find the ScanPST tool. Yeah, it's this one. It has a yellow icon here, and let's click on it and start the tool. You will have this window here. After clicking on it, you can click on search. I'm based in Germany, so now the language of the tool is German. This is search, and this is start, and this is close, and this is options. Search is gonna take you to your Outlook folder where you can find other OST files, and there you can choose the one that you want to repair. Now we can press on start and then scan the OST file for this email here. After scanning the file, we will have this window here. So the tool is saying that it found some errors, and here there are 58, and we can now repair them. So if I'm gonna click on repair, I will have another window here saying that the repair is done, so I can close it. Now you need just to open Outlook to check if it works. If the error continues, another solution is to recreate the OST file. To do that, you need to close your Outlook and then navigate to Outlook folder where you can find your OST files. I'm going to navigate to the folder using this shortcut. And here I can delete the file or just rename it. You can rename the file using F2 shortcut or using the context menu to rename the file. Here you'll have all the options. And then After that, you need to restart Outlook. Outlook will automatically create a new file and sync your mailbox again. There is something important to mention before we continue. This only works if your account is active and can sync from the server. Hope you were able to fix the errors detected in the OST file by following one of the mentioned fixes in the video. However, if none of the methods work, you can convert OST to BST by using Stella converter for OST. Let me show you the page where you can download it. The software converts the OST file to Outlook importable PST file safely and accurately. Once converted, you can import the BST file into Outlook via Import Export Wizard, which will ultimately resolve the OST file errors and let you access your mailbox items. And as you can see on my screen, it can help you to export OST to PST, to fix offline OST synchronization error, import OST file to Office 365. You can also save the OST data in other formats such as EML, MSG, PDF, RTF, and export the data from the OST file to Live Exchange or Office 365 accounts by using Stella Converter for OST Technician version. Download the free demo version of the software now and do it yourself. I will add a link to download the tool in the video description and link to a video explaining how to use the tool. So that's how you fix the errors have been detected in the OST file issue. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more Outlook and tech fixes. Thanks for watching.